Batteries are quickly entering Germany's biggest frequency market, the Automatic Frequency Restoration Reserve, or aFRR. At today's demand levels, batteries could meet total aFRR demand by mid-2026. Batteries typically have lower marginal costs than the main technologies that supply aFRR today, so when they become the marginal technology, prices drop. We've seen this in frequency services before. In Great Britain, frequency revenues fell by over 70% in 2023, when more batteries entered the market. The question is, if or when the same thing will happen in Germany. We can learn from other markets, but there are distinct features of aFRR that will lead to different impacts. aFRR consists of two revenue streams, capacity and energy. They have different price-building mechanisms and will be impacted differently by the BESS build-out. If you want to learn how saturation will play out in aFRR, head to the Modo Energy Terminal. Thanks for watching.